In this session, we are going to discuss about communication in management. What is my communication? So, communication is nothing but the sharing of information between two individuals or no individual in a group to reach a common understanding. Here, the information should be a valid thing for it. So, whenever you are going to share an information, you should share a valuable information. Next, what is an importance to have a good communication here is we have to increase the efficiency in new technology. Whenever a new technology is going to be introduced in the management, this technology should be made aware of to each and everyone available in the department or else in this management. Second one is to improve the quality of the product. Whenever you are going to describe your product, whatever it is, the information about the product should be known to the each and every individual in the management. Second one, it is also creating responsibilities to this. And the fourth one is to also create an innovation to have a communication. Next one is we have two phases of your communication process. The first one is transmission phase. The second one is the feedback. What is the transmission phase? The transmission is nothing but a sender is going to share this information to a receiver. It's a transmission phase. Whereas in case of your feedback phase, the sender, the receiver who has received the information will give an acknowledgement or else is going to deliver a feedback to the sender. So this is the communication process. The sender who is available is going to have a text or else message will be first, it will be get encoded. The encoded message will be transferred via a medium. The medium we have a number of mediums, may be wireless or it may be on an app or it may be on the email or it may be on letter or else anything. Right? Then the decoder will be received to the receiver. In this receiver, it decodes the process of whatever message sent by the transmitter. It decodes, read the message. After reading it, it will deliver and feedback towards the sender. Again, the message will be encoded, sent by a medium, decoded. The sender will receive and feedback from the receiver. We have four different compound way of communication in management. The first one is voice communication or speaking. Second one is written, circular, or else anything a communication result in form of written statements. Third one is visual images, and the fourth one is we have a body language. In effective communication. So we have four different barriers in the communication. The first one is the message that will be an unclear message or incomplete message or difficult to understand by our users. Second one is the message with no providence for your feedback. Third one is the message that are misunderstood. I'll give an example for it. The fourth one is the message which is delivered through an automated systems that have been hacked by human elements. So for this, we have a number of units that is whenever you're going to make a call for a customer care, you can have this type of communication. Examples regarding your barrier of communication. The first question, I will ask this question: draw a triangle, two straight lines. Some of my students will say it is not possible. And some students, what they do is, so it is possible to draw a triangle like this, or else. Now, with the help of a single line already available in the edges, we can draw the triangle. Second one is, make use of this qualities, we'll draw a single straight line, we can be able to have a triangle. So these are the answers which are going to be given by some few students. And the same question, when I asked to my son, he just answered me with n number of answers. Draw a triangle, two straight lines. So the single question which is going to deliver an n number of answers. So this is going to be a barrier for our communication. Second one is the statements which are unclear. This is a statement which is given by a judge. The statement is, kill him, not let him to live. The statement is, actually the statement was given by the judges, not to kill him, let him to live. But when it reaches to an laborers, when it reaches to a lower personalities, what they do is, kill him not, let him live. So, a statement which is going to give two different answers again, which is make a barrier for your communication system. Thank you.